So I told my brother, with that we should go up. We needed to get away. And that father was like, my father was a teacher in local school. And he was a very experienced fisherman. When he got home, he told us we woke him in, reporting he was resting. I told him that something was wrong. And with that we can't really, my father put on his clothes and grabbed the keys to that plywood. He fell in the forest and the field away from the ocean. I learned to look back and I saw the wave coming.
Mommy, I'm sorry.
And then I turned into back into the wave coming. It was high. The high. And it went over the top of the cliff. I took the 4 children in the beach. They were been down in the beach, but now they're running up the road. Continue to follow the road further up the hillside. Further up the road in the hillside and parking to the big front of the Japanese church. From there, we ran up to the road to the zone where sliding in. Sat on the wood and watched. We could see the children bumping in the water. But we're powerless to face them. Many of our friends and neighbors just escaped from the waves and joined us in the wall. One of them is my dear friend, Josephine Langüesta. We just hug each other and cried for nothing to this help. We knew that Josephine Langüesta's brother Anthony, one of the children that is well buried in a wave. 24 people from local walked down the street, lots of children. My brothers and my curiosity kept the better of us. Or if my father would have wanted to see the ocean shore, instead listening to my dream, he would have been dead.
Guys, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Back to you, Auntie.
And I have our special guest with Giorgio and Leah to explain us how Atlas money might work.
Tsunami was in a 6.75 magnitude or higher earthquake occurs along the Pacific Rim, the land that reaches the Pacific Ocean. Then water heights are closely monitored at tidal stations area around the Pacific. A tsunami warning declared in a tidal station area shows unusual changes of the sea. Most coastal communities along the west coast of North America and those also in Hawaii have a community warning siren or other signals to alert people from tsunami threat. Unfortunately, the science of predicting tsunami has not been perfected, and many of these warnings went out to false alarms. So these false alarms can use people in a false sense of security.
You can give us one tip for our advice that can use that really us familiar.
If you hear a tsunami warning, don't go to the beach, only to watch. Move to the higher ground immediately. Most coastal communities have designated meeting places such as school and high ground, where people can safely out of the tsunami. And tsunamis arise at the stage of wave, and the wave and the wave may get bigger as long as it progress. So So we will remain to the higher ground until local officials tell you that it is safe to leave.
Thank you, sir. I'm Arjun Ikat and this is Good morning.